Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure you are level 10 or higher and that your inventory holds a bamboo seed or you can trade for one. Once done, pick a 3x3 fenced plot in your garden area. This gives room for growth and avoids crowding. Plant the bamboo seed centrally, then water it immediately so it begins growth stages. You want steady watering. Check the plot status after planting to confirm the seed registered. Once the bamboo sprouts, you focus on consistent care. Water it daily and apply fertilizer every 2 days to accelerate growth. Make sure the garden temperature stays around 20 degrees to 25 degrees because pandas have affinity thresholds tied to ambient conditions. This affects chance to attract a panda. Regularly clear weeds and ward off pests or NPC predators. Use a scare charm if you need to. Monitor the growth meter. When it reaches the breeding stage, you finish by triggering the panda spawn. At dusk, offer 3 bamboo stalks near the mature plant and stand within interaction range. You then complete a brief mini-quest, feed, pet, and name the panda to finalize taming. Follow prompts exactly to lock ownership. If the panda does not appear, troubleshoot by rechecking your player level, the garden temperature, and that a 3x3 free space exists. If needed, remove nearby objects and try the dusk offering again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.